Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I'm going to tell you about practical sums regarding SEM 3 Kakatiya University. Okay, this is a question. Fit a binomial distribution for the following data using the direct method and calculate expected frequencies. So, x value and f values, okay? Frequencies, f in the sense frequencies. Okay, so for this we have to fit a binomial distribution and also we have to calculate expected frequencies. Okay, so for this the title is, first we have to write the title. Okay, fitting of binomial distribution direct method. Okay, and the next is aim to fit a binomial distribution by using direct method and also to calculate expected frequencies. Okay, so in order to calculate these expected frequencies, first we have to find out the probabilities. Okay, so the procedure is, first we have to write the definition. Okay, so this is the binomial distribution definition. A discrete random variable x is said to follow binomial distribution with parameters n and p. Okay, in binomial distribution we will have two parameters. So that's why it is called as biparameter method. So n and p. If it assumes only non-negative values and its probability mass function is given by, so this is a formula. Okay, so we call it as a mass function, probability mass function for discrete random variable. P of x equals to ncx p power x into q power n minus x. So, and the limits are 0 to n. So, now we have to consider this as equation 1. Okay, so in binomial distribution, mean equals to np, variance equals to npq. Okay, and the next is, now we have to calculate mean. Okay, so mean formula, this is discrete series, isn't it? So this belongs to discrete series. So the formula for calculating mean regarding discrete series is summation fi xi by capital N, where n equals to summation fi. If we add all these frequencies if we add, so there we can get capital N. Okay, and the next is x bar equals to np. Okay, why? Because your mean is np, no? So mean is denoted by x bar. So that's why, so x bar equals to np. And p cap, by this we can find out p cap equals to x bar by n. So similarly q cap equals to 1 minus p cap. So since p plus q equals to 1, so that's why we can write q cap as 1 minus p cap. So cap in the sense estimated value of p. P cap in the sense we are going to estimate those values. Okay, cap indicates that we are going to estimate. Now the expected frequencies formula. See here, the expected frequencies formula is capital N into P of x. We can call it as a P of x equals to x or P of x. So for calculating expected frequencies, first we have to calculate P of x. P of x in the sense what? This formula. Okay, for calculating this formula, first we have to find out what is P, what is Q. If you want to find out P and Q values, we have to find out what? X bar. Why? Because P cap is nothing but x bar by n. So that's why first we have to find out x bar. By using this data, we are going to find out x bar. Okay, now we'll see how to find out x bar. Okay, see here. So x values in question they have given and frequencies. Okay, now fx. Why? Because the formula of x bar is nothing but summation fi xi by capital N. So that's why we have added this column. Okay, so 0 into 0 is 0, nothing but 1 into 4 is 4, 2 into 13 is 26, 3 into 28 is 84, 4 into 42 is 168, 5 into 20 is 100, 6 into 6 is 36, 7 into 2 is 14. Okay, if we add all these, we'll get 115. This is nothing but capital N. Why? Because capital N formula is summation Fi. Okay. And if we add all this, we got 432. Okay. So by using these data, these values, now we are going to find out x bar. So x bar equals to summation Fi xi by capital N. So that equals to 432 divided by 115. That means 115. So we get x bar equals to 3.7565. Okay. First, everybody keep your calculator fixed. So how to keep your calculator fixed in the sense, see, here first you have to click the shift button and next here setup button will be. Okay. After that, here some options you will get. In that, fix option belongs to number 6. So you have to click number 6. Okay. And 0 to 9 they have given. That means how many digits we want, fixed values, how many decimals we want. So I want 4 decimals. So I am clicking 4. Okay. Now whatever you calculate, the answer will be in 4 digits number. Okay. 4 decimals you will get. Okay. So like that you have to fix your calculator. Okay. So like that we got x bar value 3.7565. So after getting x bar, we can calculate p cap. So p cap formula is nothing but x bar by n. Already we discussed. Okay. So x bar equals to 3.7565 by n value is nothing but how many numbers we are having here? 7. So that's why we have to keep here n value as 7. So p cap equals to, if we solve this one, we'll get 0.5366. Okay, next is Q cap. Q cap formula is nothing but 1 minus P cap. So we'll get 1 minus, here P cap value is 0.5366. So Q cap equals to 0.4634. Okay, so now we got P value and Q value. Now we have to find out probability. Why? Because we have to calculate expected frequencies. So in order to calculate expected frequencies, first we have to find out probabilities. So now to find the probabilities for the given data. So how to find out in the sense? Here in formula, NCX P power x into Q power n minus x formula is there, no? So in this formula, in this equation 1, first we have to substitute x value as 0, next 1, next 2, next 3, next 4, next 5, next 6, next 7. Why? Because they asked us to find out these values. Okay, by using these values, we are going to find out probability values. Okay, so first we substituted here P of x equals to 0. Okay, so NCX in the sense 7C is 0, P power x is nothing but 0, Q power n minus x is nothing but 7 minus 0. So like that, next is 1, next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why? Because in question they asked up to 7. So that's why we have kept the x values up to 7. So first one we'll solve. I'll tell you how to solve in calculator. See here, 7C0. 7 in the sense we have to click here 7. C in the sense here NCR is there, no? So shift button, you have to press shift button. You have to press shift button. And next C you have to click here. Here you are having NCR formula. And next is R. R in the sense 0. Okay. Here 0 is there, no? Next is into. Or else you can use brackets also. So 0.5366 power you are having here. Okay. Power 0. Okay. After that you have to click this one in order to come the cursor to down. Okay. Yeah. And the next is again into. Again 0.4634. Okay. Power 7 minus 0 is nothing but 7. Okay. Equals to, see, 0.0046. 0.0046. So like that you have to solve all these. Okay. So you will get these values. Okay. Now after getting these values, now we have to calculate expected frequencies. Okay. Now we have to calculate what? Expected frequencies. So here x values you have to write. Frequency values you have to write. They have given in the question. And next probability values. Just now we have calculated those values. And here you have to write these values. Okay. Here. And next expected frequencies. So expected frequencies answer is n into p of x. N value is nothing but 115. Okay, here we calculated. Okay, 115, 115. So 115 into 0.0046. Okay, first one I'll show you. 115 into 0.0046. So that equals to, if you get like this in decimal, you have to click this one. Then you will get in decimal points. Okay. So if you get in P by Q form, you have to press this one, then you will get in decimals. Okay. So 0.5290. Okay. So like that you have to calculate. And after that, conclusion. Nothing but conclusion. So the binomial distribution expected frequencies for the given data. Okay. So here X values, here F naught. That means observed frequencies. What they gave in the question, those values are called as, these values are called as observed frequencies. Okay. Expected means what we are going to calculate. Okay. So that is denoted by FE. Okay. So 0.5290 is the first answer, isn't it? 0.5290 is the first answer. So this is similarly equals to 1 you can keep. Okay. So like that you have to round up the decimal points. Okay. So like this you will get. So these both you have to add at last, whether they are nearby or not. We have to conclude it. Okay. So like this you have to calculate expected frequencies, and next video I'll show you how to fit a curve. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. And if you like my video, give one like. Don't forget to share with your friends. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.